In front of me is Lenovo tab P11 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can select and delete multiple photos at once. First of all, you need to access Photo app and access one of your folders. I will go with Download. Now hold any photo that you wish to delete and then click on this dot at the top left corner. As you can see, after that, all of my photos are selected. In order to delete them, click on this bin icon next to shopping cart at the top right corner and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Then click on Move to Bin in the next one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!